We'll start first with the Lord Ganesha's face and ear. We'll make it very this detailing will start. Take your pencil color. Take your brown, burnt cyan or dark brown pencil color, okay? But you're going to merge it, so I feel burnt cyan will do. Burnt cyan will look nice. Just take your pointed burnt cyan pencil. Yes, Iraira.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is burnt cyan the darker or the lighter brown?
Lighter one. It's reddish brown. Burnt cyan is reddish brown.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
called as a burnt cyan. It has a red shade in it. And dark brown is a dark shade.
Ma'am, if we don't have it, can I just use this color?
You can use the brown color. No problem. Just see. I'm going to use the brown color. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Means do we have to use the burnt cyan or that brown color?
You can use brown if you don't have burnt cyan. Okay? Got it, Sanskriti? Huh? Okay, now very fine with your pointed pencil. First outline the face with the trunk.
Ma'am, have you applied the fixative on this?
Yes, I've applied fixative. Why you have not applied? Yes,
No, ma'am.
you'll have to apply. Add the fixative. Add the fixative.
Ma'am, I don't have burnt cyan.
Go with the brown one. If you don't have, go with the brown one.
Is burnt cyan?
No, burnt cyan has reddish brown effect. That is dark brown, I feel.
Ma'am, it has reddish brown effect.
Okay. Then use it.
Okay.
Okay, now with this, when you give an outline, just merge that outline. What is the meaning of outline? Bring the little bit outline inside it in a circular way so that it doesn't look like an outline and it gives a dark shade there.
Ma'am, do we have to outline the whole face with burnt cyan?
Yes, whole face means this one, this much. And that outline you are going to merge it inside. Otherwise, it will look like only one line which you have created for giving. I'll just show you how I'm merging it. I'm taking the brown color inside the face. Vedika, Sanskriti, open your videos up.
Excuse me, ma'am. Have you
Yes.
done it like this? Can you just see?
Yes, like that. Okay, from here. Now, take your orange pencil, done the outline. Take your orange pencil and red pencil also and black pencil. 3 pencil colors. Apart from burnt cyan, we are going to keep it with us because outline and then merging, and wherever orange, black and red is there, we are going to load that. Okay. So 3 pencils, that is orange, black and red. Take both of it, no problem. You can use both of it. Wherever you can go with a dark, medium and light shade. So medium and dark shade, like that you can give a shade, that will look nice. I have also taken all the shades what I have. I have 2 red shades, 1 orange and the last one which I said black.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm having 3 shades of orange.
Yeah, take, no problem. Take it right now, take it, okay? Now, with your dark shade of orange, now those who have 2 shades or those who have only 1 shade, take that 1 shade. First, on the top of the eye, where the eyelids is there, there, first load your dark orange. It should have the orange shade. Then with your pointed red pencil, you're just going to outline how we put kajal. So like that you're going to outline on the top of the black line we have done for the eye. That is inside the orange, this line will come. Base is orange and outline is with the red. I'll just zoom it. Wait. Can you see? Orange base is visible, and on top of that, on the top of black line, I've given an outline with the red. Okay? Now take your light orange. And if you don't have both the shades, take the same orange and just load little bit above the orange also to give the eyelids effect. I'll just show you. Clear? Everyone can see? Just I'm zooming it. Go slowly. I'm telling once again. Out of this artwork, all Ganesha artworks will be called for social media, and that from out of this, the best artwork will be selected. So go slowly. I'll show each and everything part how to make it, and the similar one you're going to do it as a homework. So it is not at all that you will have to complete it today itself. Okay?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Have you used the black color in tracing the eye?
No, not yet. That always after you complete the whole artwork, everyone remember this, it is not for this artwork only, but for all the artwork. Once you have done with whole artwork, whatever you have traced with the pencil, that is, we have made this, we have made the eye, we have made the kumku. That has to be done once again on the top of the artwork, completed artwork, so that it gives a dark effect of that all things. So you have to do once again after you have completed the whole artwork. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, right now I have not traced anything.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am,
Yes?
why do we need to make the shadow with the outline?
Shadow with the outline? Where we have made shadow with the outline?
No, that shadow of the truck, where there's a truck.
Because, see, for a body, do we have an outline?
No.
So now we are giving an outline to make it sharp. So body doesn't have any sharp edges. Do it has? No, na? So we will have to. So
Ma'am?
for that we merge it with the base. Yes.
Ma'am, we didn't make the hoop earrings of Lord Ganesha.
Yeah, you can make it. No problem. Okay, just go with this. Once done, this is done. I we have completed. Okay, now below the neck. First, take your burnt cyan. This part, just load with your burnt cyan, and also below the neck, load it. And on top of that, just add the black color. Gently add it.
Ma'am, with the burnt cyan, we have to do that.
Yes, first burnt cyan, and then on top of that, add your black color and merge the black color with the help of your burnt cyan once again. Now for the ear once again, I'm using burnt sienna for outlining. I'm not using any black pencil or dark brown also. I'm going to use only burnt cyan for all over it for outlining. Once the ear is done, I've extended this neck up to here, the face. Behind the ear, only inside the face, you're going to give a black shape. Just like this. Little bit. And now your orange and red. Same for the face. What we did for eye, first load your dark orange on the base. So here, don't go inside the black, otherwise black will come. Just load orange all over it.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, and if we have used red with the orange, then we have to load red.
Yes. No, red I'm going to load. Just see, I'm going to show you. I am first giving the base of orange and with the help of red, how we did for I. But I the space was very less. Now here, I'm just going to load dark shade so that dark, medium and the reddish effect will come. Be careful for the black, huh? For the shadow what we have made. Little bit of it, let it go. It will look nice. Having a dark shade there, but remaining part don't load lot of it. Just see, I have loaded the orange and red and merge it together. If your red and orange is not merged, use your orange pencil to merge it. Light colors are used for merging in pencil color.
Ma'am,
Yes?
have you used black on the ear?
Yes, your black, that is for the shadow or for the depth. Wherever, as I say, just join your two fingers. Whenever you joint it, in the between, there is a dark line. Same thing I have shown with the joint. Only on the face. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now here also, for the trunk, inside the ear will come your shadow. 1 second. That you're not, yes, 1 minute. Sanskriti, 1 minute. That you're not going to do with a black pencil. You're going to do with your dark brown pencil inside the ear. Like this. This is my dark brown. Yes, Sanskriti. Now you can tell. Yeah. What happens, Sanskriti? See. This is the effect.
Excuse me, ma'am, can
Yes.
you just see?
Yes, sure. This is the effect. This is all effect you're going to make it. Slowly, slowly. By this effect, what has happened? The face has come on the top. It is looking that the face is in front and the ear is behind. This is how the effect. Very good, Sanskriti. Very nice. Go slowly. Everyone, go slowly. So this is what, okay. Now inside the trunk, just open your artwork, that is reference artwork. So here I can see the dark shade of brown. Take your dark brown and just load the dark brown inside this area.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, 1 minute. Yeah, show me.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yes, right now it is okay. Merge this color. Merge this color. Take your light orange and just load. Or otherwise, take a peach color pencil. The skin color pencil is there, na? Use that. And merge this color like this. Just merge it. It should not have the tone. Use your light orange over this area and merge it.
Ma'am, now it is okay?
1 second. Yes, it is okay. Done with your red pencil now. Just give outline here inside the ear and just use your glass pencil. If your white pencil is not running between the two shades, just load the white. Or if your Staedtler white is not working, you can just load your glass pencil also there. No problem. So, yeah, charcoal pencil is also okay. No problem. My white Staedtler, I'm using Staedtler only because Staedtler normally works on this. I'm just loading with the Staedtler pencil, giving a white shade between the two. And running that white over little bit over the red.
Mom,
Yes.
ma'am, I don't. My Stickler pencil is not working, and I don't have glass pencil. So can I use paint?
It is not too much dark. So for paint, okay, use a very light watery white color over there afterwards. Okay. Now the same. The shading, this shading, what we did for the eye, what we did for the face, everywhere it is in the same way. That is what we did. First load your dark orange for the base. At the corners, just load your red. And then with your light orange, just merge all this and load little bit of light orange inside the ear to give the shade of orange from dark, medium and light. Okay, same thing is for the stomach. Just give a outline first. Below the beads, what is there, or the garment, or whatever it is, whichever is there, that you can make it with a golden pencil if you have, or you can go with a white if it is a flower garment or anything. You can go with that. If you don't have, what you're going to do is take your yellow pencil and take your orange pencil, merge it together to give the golden effect. Okay, same thing. Now this area where we have loaded orange, that is orange, red and light orange, how we did for here, same will come this area. Clear to everyone? Yes, this you'll have to do. Is it clear, or should I show Khushi? Everyone, I'm asking everyone. It's not only for one person I'm asking. Will you be able to do this and this? Because if I show each and everything, we'll not be able to do the detailing. It will take more classes. I'm able to sit. I don't have any problem. I have to show how the detailing has to be done. You'll have to open here the reference picture and you will do it. What? Yes. What about?
Ma'am, you can just show how to do. You can just show that one ornament and then we'll do.
Okay, this ornament, but this shade, will it be, everyone have to say, everyone has to show me the thumb, or everyone has to say, okay. This also where orange, red and or light orange, this, wherever the shade is there, I've shown you how to make it. Two things. Is it okay? You'll be able to make it? Everyone. Yes. Okay. Now
Okay.
ornaments. Yeah, ornaments I'll show. 1 second. I'll show the ornaments. No problem. Okay. Now for how to make the this part, head and the turban. First we'll complete this, then we'll come downside. So first with the black pencil. I can see the black here. Little bit this side. And I'm going to take the magenta pencil. What did you notice that what I'm doing? I'm using a dark shade to give an outline so that the colors are very nicely, yeah, and very nicely seen. So first outline it. I can see the folds.
Ma'am, I'm not having the magenta pencil.
Do one thing, use red and on top of that use your pink pencil. Okay, so first I have given an outline, and now with the help of my pink pencil,
Ma'am, I
yes,
have dark pink, which looks dark on paper. Can I use this?
yes, you can use that. Dark only, I don't have dark pink. Now with the help of pink pencil, I'm just loading all over, but in this direction, how we have loaded the color. I'm loading on top of the magenta shade also. Inside here, the feather. Light blue pencil, and if light blue is not visible, yeah, my light blue is visible for the outline. If it is not visible, you are going to use the light blue first, and on top of that you're going to give a dark blue shade. I'll just show here. Light blue is not visible on this line. So first I have given an outline with the light blue, loaded light blue inside the turban, giving the whole shape. And now I just want to give the effect, that is fold effect, and the outline very nicely. So first with the light blue, and then take your dark blue. This is also light. Pointed light blue. And load this very gently. You're not going to rub it or scrub it. Just touch the color so that you have the effect of outline. Just see. There are beads here and this. So there are two ways of making beads. I'll just show you one. That is, don't do with your pencil. I normally do it. See, the white shade is there, white, yellow, pink. I take the pencil, pointed pencil, any pointed pencil, same watercolor. Just take the color.
Ma'am?
Yes. One second, just hold on. The same you can do for the garments but see to it, don't take the take our shading pencil and see. Make it with yellow. Pointed pencil, the dots will be very nice. I'm just showing white because it is visible. Yellow will also visible. I'll see if my yellow shade is there. The stones, what is visible? Just make a pointed pencil. Why don't take the color pencil? Because the color which you are using, it will melt. Water, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I'm having golden tail.
Use that, but use that with your shading pencil, not with this pencil. Because this pencil will melt. Now this pencil has melted. So you'll have to keep it. Normally many people use this for water base also. But we don't use, we merge it with the help of it. I'll show you for the yellow. I got the yellow also. I'll show yellow here.
Ma'am, so can we use this golden color for making the ornament?
Yes. Those who have golden shade, they can use golden shade also. Those who have only pencil, what they are going to do? First load the white color dots. Load the white color dots inside this, and with your pointed golden pencil make a when it is the paint is wet, that time only make the golden dots inside it. It gives a very nice effect. See, this is for the yellow shade. With the shading pencil I am doing, because then otherwise the pencil will same effect you can do for the necklace and all that. You don't have to make it with the pencil, just make with the color, put the dots, but this you're going to do it at the end. I'm showing because I got that this, see, with the help of pencil, and if you are having acrylic color, well and good, it will shine. It will have the shining effect.
Ma'am, we have to do it in the last.
Yes. Once the merging is done, you will do it. Merging has to be done first. Then only you will be able to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. So this part is clear. Yeah, we didn't make the feather.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you just see that mukut?
One second. Just hold on. Give a outline to the load your, listen. Load your, how much detailing? Load your light blue first, and with your pointed dark blue and dark green, give the flying strokes. Yes. What happened in Sanskriti?
Are you using the normal color pencil or Staedtler?
Where?
In the feather.
Very nice Sanskrit. Feather, normal Staedtler pencil. Yes.
What colors did you put in the feather?
Feather pink is there, light blue, and now I'll take a pointed dark blue or dark green and light dark blue pencil, pointed, and just load the flying stroke effect to give the actual feather look on it. Flying stroke, keep your pencil and lift it. Dark blue and dark green. It turns out to the peacock color. That will be seen with the pointed only. This is small small detailing. I'm showing just you can do anything. If you don't want, don't do it, no problem, but it looks nice.
Ma'am, can I see it from close up?
Yes, 1 second. I'll just show everyone, I'll show it. And when we are doing actual feather, normally I use all the colors, all dark colors. I use also red, I use orange also in it. I use different red shade, blue shade, green shade, sometimes the orange also. Give the flying stroke inside it.
Ma'am,
Both
can I
sides.
show?
Yes. With the pointed pen. Yes, Drizzly. It is okay. Okay. Now first,
Ma'am, can you just see?
yes. Very nice. Okay. Now first I'll show one side leg. Same you will do it. Now for this, you're going to take your blue shades. You're going to take your light blue, whichever blue shades you have, take that dark blue. Okay. Then purple color. Black color. You have bluish purple, then take that. I have a violet shade, but if bluish shade is there, then take that.
Ma'am, can I use the?
Yes. Yes, which one? Yes, you can use. I'll go with the light one. I'm not going to.
Ma'am, do we have to take the purple shades also?
Yes, purple, but if you have in blue, then go with that. That looks very nice. I have one pencil, but I'm not able to find it.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yeah, this is there. See, this is the bluish purple pencil. It looks like a blue, but it is red. Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, I have this purple. Ma'am, can you see which one it is?
Use all the shades of blue. We will require all the
Purple.
the left one. This Vedika left one. Yes, yes. In your right, the dark pen. This Sanskriti. Yes.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, Kushi, you can use that. Yes, show me. Very nice, Iraida. Okay. Now again with your dark pencil, dark blue pencil, because we have already made with a blue shade. So take your dark blue pencil and first is the outline for the once you have given an outline, take your black pencil. Why? Not outside, but inside there are folds. So, inside these 3 lines are there. 1, 2, and 3. Below the blue shade, you're just going to load your black color. Below the blue shade, just load your black color. Here also the black color, and this side also the black color. And again with your blue pencil, run over the black shape. there is yellow shaped yellow pencils. I can see some yellow at the with the design, so I load I'm loading orange. And now, if your shape has changed, you can just load your dark brown and make the background to change the shape. Yes?
Ma'am, the shading that with the dark blue pencil.
Yes.
Do it.
Yes, you'll have to do it. Okay, same thing for the folds. What we have done here. First, give with your pointed blue pencil. Take your black pencil and load it on the side. One side only you're going to load to give the fold effects. On right side it will be on right side. On left it will be for the left side. Just come down here. Now, to give the knee effect. So how is the knee effect? We had loaded the color how? Center knee, and beside it we have gone down. So I'm just loading my blue color in the same direction downwards till the complete cloth. Direction same now. From here, when I come, I'll just come down in the direction what we have loaded. Come down, just come till the border. Then again from here, go, give a curve. And join it here. This is I'm doing with a dark pencil. Okay, once I have loaded this, I'm going to run light blue over it so that all the color merge together. So here, the knee effect below the knee, and here also. Can you see where I have loaded the dark blue? With your light blue. Now first near the knee. Now we have loaded near the leaf. Wait 1 second. I'll take a other light. This is also not visible. 1 second. What I'll do, I'll first load white. Yes. Wait.
Can you see my name?
Sorry. See my pencil. Yes. Yes, what happened, Vedika?
Ma'am, can you see my name?
What name?
Ma'am, can you see my name of Lord Creation?
Where? I can't see. Show me. Okay. Okay. I just check. So first, the light blue is not visible. What I did, first I load white, and now I use my light blue pencil to make it more light, but this shade here near the knee, the part where the knee will be liquid, I am just loading the blue to give a light shade, and with that same pencil, wherever you have loaded the dark color, I am merging that dark color. As I said, to merge the color, just use your light pencil. Earlier the marks were seen with the pencil marks. Now it is merged with the light blue. You can make the design whatever you want with your pencil, or you can make it with the this also, watercolor, all that, the shape. You can make it with the sketch pen also. Gel pen will also run over the pencil colors. Can you see the folds has come? Are you able to see? With your pink pencil, if you have dark pink, well and good. If it is not there, first give an outline with magenta pencil, that is dark pencil, and then merge it.
Excuse me, ma'am, it's fine.
Yes.
Ma'am, this side.
Yes, it is fine, but load little bit of light blue to merge that dark blue. Yes.
And where?
Here, this one. For the merging purpose. Okay, everyone show me how much you have understood. I just want to see. We are only to do now hand and leg is there. Yes, show me one by one. Very nice, Amira. Yes. Very nice. Kushi, merge this blue color. Use your light blue over this area in the same direction how we have loaded. This blue will merge.